went to the Melbourne air show. Going to Melbourne.
Because they flew me to the hospital. Going to the air show! Yay! Melbourne Air and Space Show. Should be pretty awesome and loud.
There are so many people here.
Turn your attention high overhead. You will see 4 of my highly skilled, highly trained, and highly deadly paracommandos descending on Melbourne International Airfield. Now rapidly approaching our final Olympic show center, U.S. Army Special Forces, Green Parade.
But I can hear you. Look, sir, this is an air show. You're an unauthorized airplane. We have an air show going on. I'll have to ask you to leave immediately. No, not going to do it. Sir, the FAA is down here. They will be all over you if you do not leave. Oh, FFA, I am an FFA member. So a future farmer, yeah. Do you know who the FAA is, sir? No. Uh-oh. Whoa, hey, did you notice you just lost an elevator, or correction, an aileron off your airplane? I couldn't have. I built this thing. You built this airplane? Yeah, it's in pretty good shape. I just got her done. That's why I came to the air show, to show it off. Where'd you build it? I built her in prison. In prison? How did you get it out of prison? Well, I got it out one piece at a time. Obviously, that's a problem now. Well, I'm going to have to ask you, sir, where did you learn to fly? Well, uh-oh, hang on. Did you get a pilot's license? Whoa, you just scraped the wing. It looked like it was on fire there for a second. That was a wing hanger. Very funny, sir. Look, I'm going to have to ask you, if you do not know how to fly, I'll try to help you land it if you wish, but we've got to get you out of the sky. Dramamine, that's your name? Yeah. All right, I'm going to try to help you down. Now, you can point the nose a little bit towards the ground. A little bit. Now, pull, hey, up, Chuck, up, Chuck. Oh, I think I just did. Oh, come on.
Is it officially beer 30? It's past beer 30 already.
Yeah, we already had one.
Can I get a Modelo?
Just one? Do a Corona. Corona, you want a light or extra? I'll do just extra. Extra, I can get one. You got it.
On the radio in Afghanistan sometimes. That's a C-130 behind us. We used to ride those. Well, we take a commercial flight to Kyrgyzstan or Kuwait or Turkey, and then we'd fly the C-130 into Iraq or Afghanistan. So I've been on plenty of these. Amber?
I've never been on one.
Has never been on.
It's big.
It's noisy. Like, you need earplugs. And not like, oh, I'm skydiving and I have sensitive little boy ears, but you need like earplugs or you're gonna get tinnitus.
Don't they jump out of those when they're doing like extra big waves, or no? That's a different place.
Yeah, they'll do like the big
Maybe
waves.
Someday.
You can fit like 50 some odd people in there, paratroopers.
People are looking at us really funny, guys. I like it.
We're vlogging, you know?
de France 2017 pour vous en Amérique.
Flying in the Condor formation right now. The call sign is Atos. Now watch as they swiftly move from the Condor formation right into a Diamond formation. 8 aircraft flying together only 15 feet apart.
Patrouille De France, and I went to go say hi, but I don't think any of those guys spoke English, so it was a little bit awkward. Any English speakers amongst you? The Patrouille De France? Yes. Good show, man. Awesome show. Appreciate it. But they were cool about it.
I don't think it was awkward. It was just shook hands. They understood your demeanor, you know, more than anything.
French military, love you guys. Haven't really worked with you before, but I know we're coalition together.
And they put on an awesome show.
Yeah, great show.
Awesome show.
Sweet.
Here is Ken Peach, ladies and gentlemen, and the Interstate Cadet. Now, before he does the motorhome routine, he wants to show you just a little bit of what the Interstate Cadet can do.
He's trying to land G-Lie on a moving motorhome.
Up. So he's going to run out of runway, but at least he's got 2 wheels. Oh, he hasn't landed it yet. That's just getting, he's got to get the tail down. But he is doing a heck of a job.
Well, that was fun. I like the air show.
Yeah, I liked it too. I liked the French the best.
Yeah, the French, but I forget what they were called.
The
Patrouille De France.
Yeah.
Thunderbirds were cool.
The Thunderbirds were cool. I just don't.
I did.
What? Sorry, go ahead.
I like the F-18 the best. They were doing supersonic passes.
The F-18 was super cool. I've never seen anything like that.
They were doing supersonic passes, which was dope.
Yeah. I looked at Mark and I was like, what's that flashing? It's almost like they move through time, you know?
As we all do.
Well, fast forward.
I don't think I'm going to wear sandals to the air show if we go next year.